I was working on a 1972 Ford F-250. I was wondering why my gas pedal kept getting stuck, and thought it was the carpet, so I tore that away. Then I noticed something was weird about this mount. Obviously it broke in two. So the only replacement I found was a place out of Brazil on eBay, and I'll show that later. That part number. Couldn't find it on the LMC truck, couldn't find it in National Parts. So anyways, there's 3 1/2-inch bolts here to finish taking this off. See, this aluminum just gave way, I guess over years of use. That goes through the firewall right there. So I had to get this retainer off. Not sure if I had to get the link off first and then mount the other one. It looks like I have to take the gas pedal accelerator link part. I'm trying not to use this part by the carburetor. This is my 360 of the 72 Ford. Looks like it's right there in the middle of the screen. You can see it goes down further and goes through the firewall. See a little daylight coming down there. So I'm going to get this retaining clip off and separate it, pull it through the cap. Alright, finally get it apart. See here, this attaches. Sorry, I'm standing on a crate reaching over. Attaches there. There's some retaining clips, and you see it right there. And it pulls out of this hole right here. Just held in by these retaining clips. Had to bend up with needle nose pliers, so I should be able to pull it through the firewall. Alright, back in the cab. Obviously I had to pull. Stuff's so brittle. All this is going to be replaced. Carpet's going to be replaced. Floor pans eventually. So I get this insulation off. So this should pull through. Just like that. And somehow get this off. We see how those on that side. This on that side for a nice mount. So I'm gonna get this off. The replacement I got from Brazil is this. This one obviously bolts on, so it's not exact OEM, but this is actually all I can find. So almost looks right. Quality is about the same. It's kind of cast aluminum. I'll take this off and get it on the linkage. Alright, finally had to cut that last piece off. Tried to bam it with a hammer, didn't work, so I had to get a cutting wheel. Cut both sides, finish it off with a hammer. So we got some washers, they're about tore up, but we'll see if I can use that while I put this on with the screws and then get it mounted back there. Alright, let's get some blue Loctite on there, so I'm going to go back to it again. Right there. These clamps back on. Seems like it'll fit. I did to take the plastic, OEM plastic pieces out. Alright, there's the finished product. Didn't take too long. Losing daylight, but anyways, I used the OEM stock bolts, mounting bolts. They work fine. Bolted the clamp on with the mount. Just got to go under the hood and hook the linkage back up. But this came from Brazil. I found it on eBay. There's the part number. There's the box. So unfortunately couldn't find it at National Parts Depot or LMC truck. Usually I can find stuff there, unless I just couldn't find it. Anyways, hope that helps somebody. Again, it's a 72 Ford F-250.